In this class, we'll discuss about the features and functions of capital market. We have already seen that there exist two types of the market. One is money market and the other one is capital market. And the money market mainly deals with the short-term deposit or short-term dealings, whereas the money market deals with the short-term transaction. Capital market deals with the long-term financial transaction. Let us see what are the features of the capital market. Capital market is a central coordinating and directing mechanism for free and balanced flow of financial resources into the economic system operating in a country. That is, the development of good capital market in a country is dependent upon the availability of saving, proper organizations of its constant units, entrepreneurship quality of its people, etc. The term capital market refers to the institutional arrangements for facilitating borrowings and lendings of the long-term funds. They facilitate borrowing and lending of long-term funds. Important functions of the capital markets are: first one, mobilizes financial resources or saving. This is the most important function or importance of the capital. They mobilizes or helps to mobilize resources or saving. Second one, then next one, it facilitates capital formation by offering suitable rates of interest as the price of the capital. That is, it facilitates capital formation. First, they facilitates the mobilization of financial savings or resource. Second one, it facilitates capital formation. Third one, it provides avenues for investors to invest in financial assets. That is, they helps the investors to invest in financial assets. Then next one is they facilitate increased production and productivity. That is, this capital market helps to increase production and productivity. First one, mobilization of financial resources. Second one, it helps in the capital formation. Third one, helps the investors to invest in financial asset. Then another one, it increases the production and productivity. Next one is, this capital market helps to secure foreign capital to fill the deficiencies in the domestic market. Then another one is, they helps to facilitate effective allocation of resources also made possible by the capital market. Then it provides liquidity to the financial assets. Then they act as barometers showing the progress of the country. That is, an effective and efficient capital market is a barometer of the development of the country. These are the importance of the functions of the capital market. That is, they mobilize savings, they provide capital formation, they provide opportunities for investors, they increases production productivity, they helps to secure foreign capital, they helps for the effective allocation of resources, they provide liquidity to the financial assets, and finally, this a good and efficient capital market is a barometer for the country's economic development. Now, the characteristics of the capital markets are given. Then first one, the securities market. That is, the dealings in capital markets are done through the securities market like shares, debentures, etc. Capital market is thus called the securities market. That is, the markets that deals with the capital market instruments are known as the security market. Second one, security price. The price that prevails in the capital market is termed as security price. And then there will be different participants like insurance companies, development banks, stock exchanges, etc. The major participants. And another feature is that it exists all over the country. Whenever suppliers and users of the capital gets together and do the business together, there are some locations. These are the locations of this industry. The capital market instruments are of small amount. These are the features or the characteristics of stock markets. That is, market is known as stock market or securities market. Price is known as security price. There exist different types of the participant, and it is located wherever the business is done, and the instruments are small in number. The structure of Indian capital markets are given. That this include long-term loan market, government securities market, and industrial securities market. That is, this is the structure of Indian capital market. This include the long-term loan market, then government securities market, and industrial securities market. Long-term loan market is the first component of the capital market in India. This long-term loan capital market are the development banks and commercial banks. Then mortgage market etc. are the important players of the long-term loan market, that is the development bank, commercial banks and mortgage market. The term loan markets and financial guarantee markets are the various classification of the market, that is term loan market and financial guarantee market. In India, many industrial financing institutions have been created by the government to separate long-term and medium-term loans, etc. That is, long-term loan markets includes the commercial banks, the development banks and mortgage banks. Government securities markets is the second component, and it is a market for the government and semi-government securities. Government securities are also called the gilt-edged securities, and it provides maximum they provide securities to the investors also. The industrial securities are the third types. It is a market where industrial concerns raise their capital or debt by issuing appropriate instruments such as equity shares, preference shares, debentures, etc. These are the market for industrial shares, debentures, etc. This is the structure of the Indian capital market, that is, it include long-term loan market, which include development bank, commercial bank, mortgages. Second one, government securities market, which provides the securities by the government, issued by the government. And third structure is the industrial securities market. They provide the securities by the industrial units. Here we have seen the features, characteristics as well as the structure of the capital market in India.